All about the updates in this video. A lot of you have been asking about our Tahoe here. If you've watched our videos, you know it got rear-ended in a parking lot. There was a good amount of damage on it. If you missed that video, we'll link it up above. Also, you've been asking about problems we've had with Stella. We did take it to Numar Service Center. We're going to tell you what we got done there also, and some other things in this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, notification bells on. We put out a lot of videos. That way you get notified. We do everything from RVs for camping, travel vlogs, DIYs, speed tours, and news. So make sure you subscribe, notification bells on. So let's get into it. Let's update you on the Tahoe. Now, again, if you missed that video, we were down in Knoxville, Tennessee at Costco. We parked on the furthest spot we could. And unfortunately, an elderly woman had a medical episode and passed out and just waffled our car. We weren't in it. We found that when we came outside. We're gonna put some video and pictures right here. You can see what it looked like. And now this is what it looks like. So here is the work that was done. They did a great job.
It really looks
excellent job. So it was repair to the quarter here, new bumper, new step, repair to the door or the tailgate, and then more repair over here on this part. It looks, I mean, it's a little dirty right now, but the color match is great. I didn't see any orange peel or like fish eyes or anything. If you're interested, we got it done at Mountain View Auto Body. That is in Wayne, New Jersey. They have like 5 locations. So if anybody's in this area, I gotta tell you, it's the first auto body place I went to that from start to finish, it was wonderful. Called them, got us in the next day, updated the whole time. They dealt with everything with the insurance company. And then every day I was getting a text message on the process of how this was going. They told me it would be done on April 13th. It was actually done before. They send you a text message. It was, I can't say anything better about them. So I would highly recommend them. We thought the cost was gonna be more. It was more than what Geico originally said. So it wound up being just shy of $4,000. It's $3,900, but of course it's covered by insurance. And we will get our deductible back because it was a non-fault of our own. So Tahoe's back. I didn't put a dent in it, and we'll be back on the road. Actually, I think better than before. There was no frame damage, if anybody's asking. It was just superficial.
At the time this video comes out, we're actually back on the road already.
We're back on the road. Now let's talk about Stella. Before we get into that, you can see we're back home. You know, the Mustang is just not looking good. This is this is pollen season right now, but this is a perfect time. Again, this is a 26-year-old car, so the paint's not like in the best condition. And actually, I'm putting this thing for sale. We're gonna sell it. We're liquidating. Our home's going for sale. We're liquidating. But it's a great time to show a quick clean. If you want to use something to clean very quickly, of course, the Liquishine Wash and Wax is a great, quick, easy solution to clean. Our motorhome's pretty clean right now, but as you can see, the Mustang is not. So all I'm gonna do is just spray. This is a brand new bottle. I'm gonna spray a little bit on here. Be generous with it. The nice thing about the wash and wax is it's kind of an all-in-one, so it's going to clean and it's going to leave a protective, don't do it too hard.
Get ready.
It's going to leave a protective finish on here. You can see it's already doing its work. Let me just get a little bit more. I'm going to do a quick wipe in one section, just kind of show you what this looks like. And you can see how quickly, it is sunny. Look how much dirt it took off. How nasty is that? Let me give it one more side here.
This poor baby needs a wash.
This poor baby needs a paint job. But yeah, let's just do I'm just gonna clean this little section right here. And people say, oh, there's swirl marks. Yeah, it's swirl marks. It's 26 years old. It's an old car. Leaves that protective slick gloss, so when it slides right off, which is really nice to have. Now, they do have the bug remover. They have the black streak cleaner. They also have the roof cleaner. I really like this one because this does things like really well. Like, it's not as good as the bug cleaner, but it'll take bugs off. But what's nice is that it leaves that wax finish. In the USA, from the makers of Liquefied. If you go to liquefiedrv.com, use the discount code ENDLESS15. Now, we've been told that's gonna change to 20% off, but it should work for at least a month. So it's gonna be 20% off of any product of your Liquishine, Liquefied, Made in USA, great company. If you want more information, we'll put the link down below. Let's talk about Stella. We did go to the Numar Service Center. We did book out 6 months ahead. Now, everything on here was not an emergency, although I'm glad we did do a couple of things that we wanted to do because it would have been an issue later on. So what did we have done? So first thing, big thing, was having all the slides adjusted. This full wall slide definitely needed adjustment. It was off by a couple of inches, like depending on how the coach was. It's good. Everything is nice and even now. It took care of all that. So what would happen is that it would kind of stick out more back here, and there was some spacing issues over here. It closed, it functioned, but it's working the way it's supposed to.
And this is a typical
This is
adjustment.
typical.
This is not anything that's particularly wrong.
11 years old, when we had our other Numar or Baystar, after a couple of years, we had them adjusted. These things just move, and it is what it is. So all the slides adjusted. We also had this part right here. There was an issue with, this is a new part. The old one, when we would close the slide, it was pushing it out, popped the rivets out, and also cracked the plastic. So they had to do some custom work. They did fix that. This was white. We're going to talk about who did the paint on it. Let's continue down on the passenger side. On the entry door, new trim over here. This had a crack in it, so they did put new trim. The big one for us was we had them inspect all the tops of the slide. So pull the slide toppers back, inspect that membrane up there. Remember, that's not fiberglass on the slide toppers. And what we had them do was tape all the seams. So they use a permanent tape. It's like a Turn-A-Bond tape, and seal everything up. That was all done. There was definitely no issue, but going to be an issue with that sealant. Remember, 11 years old. We're glad that we had that done. At the service center, I was able to pick up the LED strips. Now, these are just regular LED strips, but I wanted this appropriate length. They have them there, so this is just for the accent lights. We also went there to have our comfort drive reset. They told us that we needed a new comfort drive. They couldn't reset it. We went to Freightliner. They were able to reset it. So I don't know what the confusion or miscommunication, or I don't know what went on, but it was a reset. And the reason that was happening is because when we were having our issues with the check engine lights, with the check engine light on, I found that if I cleared the code with the ignition on, not an ACC, the ignition on, it would kill the comfort drive. Now, we had issues with the emissions lights, the SCR. We'll talk about how that was resolved. We did that in a video. We'll link it up above. Now, I told you regarding the body work, we are very fortunate in northern New Jersey to have Country Classic Auto Body up in Wantage, New Jersey. If you've watched our channel, we've been going there for years. I think they're one of the best around. They're amazing at the work they do. We've been there multiple times. So what did we have them do this time? Well, let's go back over to the driver's side. Let's talk about the body work. Now, we've had a couple of issues. Well, remember the video when the gate closed on our door at RV Max? Now, we'll link that up above. We had kind of a spot fix down at RV Max, and the guy tried really hard. He just did he matched the color with the code, but being that this is 11 years old, it wasn't an exact match.
Now, a couple of you out there did notice.
Sharp people.
Yep, said, hey, something looks off there.
Yeah, it definitely was off, and it was from here, because this is where they tried to blend it. Whatever. So we went to Country Classic, and again, this is what they do. It's a perfect match. It's really good. They did it. Should close this door correctly. They did a great job, blended that. Let's go over to the driver's side, show you what else they did. Now, we're having this ceramic coated in May, right? June. Well, Bob Moses ceramic coating. So I'm trying to repair as much as I can on here without painting the whole thing. So up in the corner, there was some like rub marks, and it just didn't look good. They sprayed that corner, blended it in. Again, it just looks perfect. That hasn't been, once they polish that out, it's gonna look amazing. Let's go over to the final thing that was done. So this part here, this trim was white from Numar. They did rivet it in, but this was all white, and you can see this is very difficult to do, by the way, because there's like a flake in here. This is 11-year-old paint, and you can see how well this was blended in. And then there was 2 scratches up here, and I said, well, while you're here, fix that too, and that's all blended in also. So if you are in the New York, New Jersey, PA area, or really any area, you want to have really good body work done, they take out slides. I've seen them with completely stripped out RVs that were rotted, full interior rebuilds, roofs, all that. They're the real deal. They've been doing it for 30 years. This is all they do. I think they had like 150 RVs there. There's just constant, because everybody knows how good they are. We'll put their information down below. And I know you've been watching this video and you're probably saying to yourself, that is the coolest shirt ever seen. And if you are saying that to yourself, that's pretty accurate, because this is an awesome shirt. This is the America 250 shirt that we have for a limited time. If you look at the 250 to celebrate the 250th anniversary of the United States, there's little RVs in there. So what better way as an RVer to celebrate America's birthday, 250th birthday? If you want more information on this, tank tops, V-neck, round neck, and of course the shirts.
All different
colors, as well as our other merchandise. We'll put our link down below. Just wanted to update you on everything. We're good. We're good too. We hit the road in a couple weeks, but we have a lot.
We're on the road right now.
We're on the road right now. But we do have a lot of travels coming up. So we want your feedback on the body works. I'm sure there's some people who own body shops out there. How do you think everything looks on here? We're super happy with it. It's never going to be perfect. It's never going to be like the factory. They all did a good job. The two places that we if you like videos like this, to the left of us, we put our RV DIY playlist. We also put our RV tours playlist. We thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.